Jai Hind. In every group, there is one person who speaks the loudest, and then there is one person whom people are listening to. And these two people are rarely the same. Today, we are talking about influence with integrity, not manipulation, not domination, not drama, but the rare ability to persuade through logic and stand for what is right even when it costs you comfort. That is what separates all of you in your life and in SSB as well from the crowd. What exactly this influence with integrity is? Influencing ability is the power to move people through a definitive decision with clarity, reasoning, and conviction, पूरे विश्वास के साथ. And moral strength, it is the courage to stand for what is right, even when it makes you uncomfortable, unpopular. Put them together and you get a leader whom you can trust. An influence without morality becomes manipulation, my dear girls and boys, and morality without influence becomes silence. An officer cannot afford either of the extremes, and you must be heard, and you must be always grounded as well. Humbleness, humility. Yes, as an officer आप बहुत सारे काम करते हो और आपको लीड फ्रॉम फ्रंट करना भी पड़ता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम अहंकार और moral courage को compromise करके नहीं. And I would like to share, I would like to paint a picture for all of you. A group of students decided to bunk a lecture. Everyone was very excited. And उनको मालूम था कि attendance उनकी short है. But still they decided to go ahead. इसमें 3 टाइप के लोग आपको दिखते हैं ग्रुप में हमेशा. एक जो साइलेंट फॉलोवर है, हाँ जी बोला तो चलो करना ही पड़ेगा या कर लेते हैं. टाइप 2 इमोशनल रेबल कि दिस इज रॉन्ग, हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, मैं बगावत करता हूँ, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. नंबर 3 द काम परसुएडर. वो क्या करते हैं? थर्ड वन सेज यार अगर हम क्लास को स्किप कर देंगे विल ड्रॉप आर अटेंडेंस, जो कि एसेज बहुत कम है, इंटरनल में मार्क्स इफेक्ट हो जाएंगे, वी आर ऑलरेडी स्ट्रगलिंग इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. क्या 1 घंटे का फन इज इट रियली वर्थ रिस्किंग इट फॉर द इंटायर सेमेस्टर? उसने शाउट नहीं किया, उसने कोई मॉरल पुलिसिंग नहीं करी, उसने सिर्फ एक स्ट्रक्चर रीजनिंग दे दी. सम विल स्टिल बंक द क्लास, some but some many others will stay. And that, girls and boys, is influence. Now imagine the opposite scenario in life. At your workplace, your team wants to skip the safety check. You know the risks, you know the consequences, but still you want to say go ahead with it. So you say, you as in you the hero says no. Some will call you rigid, some will say that कि अपने आप को ज़्यादा ही किंग कुमार समझता है, but no. You will calmly explain that procedures exist because somebody else paid the price earlier because of the mistakes that they had done. We do not have to repeat the mistakes, and that is moral courage. Influence plus integrity. Now, how is that going to affect your SSB? SSB is not about testing your knowledge, it is about testing the psychological stability in a group. Let us break it down. In the group discussion, when there are 10 to 15 candidates, one topic chaos begins. Somebody shouts a statistic, somebody interrupts, somebody freezes. The influential candidates do 3 things. What does that they do? They structure the decisions, they build on the others' point of views, and they add their own point of views and directs the group calmly. For example, क्या बोलते हैं? Let's examine this issue from economic, social, and security angle, and this simple one, this sentence gives a clarity and direction to the entire group, and it stabilizes the entire discussion. Influence is never about volume, it is about giving directions. In the G2 task as well, सामने ऑब्स्टिकल्स है, ग्रुप स्टक हो चुका है, फ्रीज हो चुका है, आर्गूमेंट्स चल रही हैं, ये नहीं वो नहीं, तुम ऑब्जर्व करते हो, तुम एनालाइज करते हो और प्रपोज करते हो एक वर्केबल प्लान को, और बाकी जो वो लोग नहीं बोल रहे उनको भी इन्वॉल्व करते हो. क्या बोलते हो कि लेट अस प्लेस द प्लान डायगोनली एंड सपोर्ट इट फ्रॉम हियर, वेट इस तरह से बैलेंस हो जाएगा एंड हमारा काम आगे बढ़ जाएगा. आपने ऑर्डर नहीं किया, यू हैव नॉट ऑर्डर्ड देम कि ये कर लो वो कर लो, यू सजेस्टेड. एंड अगर रिजेक्ट भी अगर हो गए तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगता, सल्क नहीं करते, आप अडेप्ट करते हो. एसएसएस वॉच इट वेरी केयरफुली. वॉट दे वॉच दैट इज द ग्रुप इफेक्टेड बाय यू, आर यू परसिस्टिंग लॉजिकली. अगर मान लो रजिस्ट किया डिसएग्रीमेंट, तो हाउ हैव यू केटर्ड फॉर दैट डिसएग्रीमेंट. Influence is measured by acceptance, not by self-perception. Understand, girls and boys? देन इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, भाई आयो सर ने तुम्हें बोला कि तुम्हारे डिसीजन को उन्होंने चैलेंज कर दिया. वाई डिड यू चूज दिस, डू यू थिंक दैट यू आर इमेच्योर इन डूइंग दैट? दैट्स अ ट्रैप. Beware, weak candidates either collapse or become defensive, but the strong ones, they say, what does that they say? Sir, I understand your perception, perspective, point of view. However, based on the available information, मुझे लगा कि उस समय मुझे यही करना चाहिए था और मैंने ये किया. And वो इस ट्रैप से बाहर निकाला जाते हैं. You acknowledge your reason, you stand, and that is moral strength. Now, assessors actually observe क्या करते हैं. They are not carried away by your ideal speeches या रटे answers. They observe whether you are stabilized under your pressure or not. Are you consistent in your values or not? Is there a logical clarity in your answers or not? Are you under your emotions or not? Controlled under your emotions or not? Are you able to carry the group along with you or not? They silently ask, does this person bend under pressure? Does this person dominate insecurely? Does this person think before speaking? Influence in SSB is subtle. It is a psychological gravity. People move towards stability. There are certain myths, though, I want to break. I want to dismantle those illusions. Loudness is equal to leadership. Sorry, wrong. Loudness hides your insecurity. Don't do that. Aggressiveness equals confidence. No, confidence is always calm. Moral strength means being stubborn. No, stubbornness ignores any logic. Moral strength is logic grounded by values. Change your answers to impress IOs? Sorry, that is lack of spine. Officers are flexible in their approach, no, but not flexible in their value system. Understand this fine difference and how to build this quality. This is not developed overnight. It is to be trained deliberately. Every day, pick one new topic, one news topic. Speak for 2 minutes in structure, definition, causes, effects, way forward. You're building clarity. Write down non negotiable values. If you don't define them, pressure will define them during to you in the SSB. In conversation, stop saying I feel. Start saying based on the reasons given. This is what I want to project. Attach logic to the opinions. Observe strong influences in your surroundings. Study their tone, study their pauses, study their structure, and imbibe them. Influence, my dear girls and boys, is a skill. Integrity is a decision. Both require discipline. The uniform does not amplify your character, it exposes it. If your logic is weak, you will crumble. If your morality is weak, you will compromise. Influence with integrity is not about winning arguments, it is about earning trust, and trust is a real authority. Develop this quality, not just for SSB, but for life, and you will go ahead everywhere, because in armed forces, men and women do not follow ranks, appointments, they follow character. They that train that, and rest will all follow.